when should I stop running Amazon PPC campaigns and what happens if I do? You should stop running ads or campaigns in the next scenarios. One, you are going to run out of stock. Stock is really important. This is again one of the lessons that I learned when we run ads for our own brand. Just like, oh my gosh, that's so amazing. Finally, I got momentum. I ran ourselves out of stock the very first time. I did not do it anymore. So just be careful to not run yourself out of stock. If that is happening, lower your bids or even stop running Amazon ad campaigns. The second occasion when you would stop running Amazon campaigns is whenever you clearly see that maybe it was something wrong with the product, right? So again, God forbid, you did not do a product inspection and what you find out is that there's certain defect in the product. And then what you don't want to do is that for a defective product, get all those returned. Again, that is not a good thing. Another case when you would be stopping your Amazon ads campaigns, here it is more strategic way is I just started these campaigns 3 months ago. Do these campaigns with the goals that I have for this month or even this quarter. If they don't, you would pause those campaigns. Nothing is going to happen. You're just redirecting budget towards something else. Probably there are also other ways when you would be stopping running the campaigns. This is something that are the most common. And what happens if you do? Simply nothing. You're just reallocating budget to something else.